Morning. Morning, everyone. So, on a side note, as for Valentine's Day, as we had this week, I was thinking of speaking about matchmaking and matchmaking for businesses. And in 7-8 months since I'm a BNI member, I've seen a few times when someone would put down as a visitor who I know but never thought of inviting the person. Various reasons, probably I just didn't know they were interested, or I didn't see the benefit of what they can utilize in BNI, or us as a group having that person in the room. So that's my mistake. However, it's all about power teams here. By showing the people that we can match them with the right businesses, then they would see the benefit. So a couple of weeks ago, I did ask for permission. A couple of weeks ago, Natalie invited a bouncy castle hire. And I was thinking that a business who visits probably won't see the benefit of being a member because we don't have an event organizer in the room. We don't have someone who would genuinely be a good match for them. Another thing with inviting people is like who is greeting them, who is standing there just holding their hands and just introducing them to the team. Because, for instance, Adam to speak with a bouncy castle business, it probably would end the conversation like, oh, that's cool.
Bouncy castle.
Exactly. But probably me as a linen hire company, I have a few connections, what they can utilize because I work with event organizers, but they won't know. So just thinking ahead of when we have a visitor, just please try to ask them who is the best business they would like to connect if they have a business in Chester where they'd like to connect. And then we can utilize our contacts and make an effort and try to matchmake for the business. Because I am pretty sure that a videographer would love to work with photographers, event organizers, wedding venues, pretty much everyone who is in hospitality. Thank you.